Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make voice calls on WhatsApp desktop. First, open WhatsApp desktop on your Windows computer. Now select the contact or chat you want to call. Once the conversation is open, look at the top of the chat window. You'll see the voice call or phone icon. This icon is used to start a voice call with the selected contact. Simply click the voice call icon to begin a WhatsApp voice call from your computer. Before making a call, make sure your computer has a working microphone and speaker or a compatible headset. WhatsApp uses your computer's audio devices to handle the voice call. If you don't have a microphone or headset connected, you may not be able to communicate properly during the call. You can also check your Windows audio settings to make sure the correct microphone and speaker are selected. For this tutorial, I'm only showing where the voice call option is located, so you can easily identify it when using WhatsApp desktop. The voice call feature is useful when you want to talk to your WhatsApp contacts without using your phone. You can keep WhatsApp desktop open and manage your conversations directly from your computer. If you decide to make a call, simply open the contacts chat and select the phone icon. During an active call, WhatsApp provides controls for managing the call, and you can end the conversation when you're finished. So the main steps are simple. Open WhatsApp desktop, select a chat, find the voice call icon, and use it to start a voice call. And that's how you can make voice calls on WhatsApp desktop in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.